Hey guys, Janelle here if you are new, and if you're returning, thank you for tuning in today. I am in my new apartment and it's so bright. The lighting is amazing in here. I hope it looks as good on a computer and iPhone screen and phone screen as good as it looks right here. So today's makeup look is a super easy cut crease liner look. I actually did this for the first time the other night when I was taking photos. Me and my friends were just having a girls' night and we were dressing up, we were looking cute, we were feeling ourselves, and we were taking pics. And yeah, I was just like, you know what will look really sick with my outfit is this cut crease that everyone's been doing. However, I did have a pot liner gel, which I don't have for this video because I left it at my friend's house. But we still made it work. We still made it look super cute. I'm really into this. I think I'm just gonna rock this when I'm like just an everyday makeup look. Why not pull an Ariana Grande with her white eyeliner and just wear it in the norm? I feel like I should be in the Rain On music video. Rain on me. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, positive. That is what the most important thing is right now during this time, and I hope my videos bring you guys joy. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram if you guys like to see more of me. I post almost every day on my stories and I try to post as often as possible, maybe like every other day, a photo, an outfit picture, singing, whatever it is. But I don't know, what do we think? Like, I feel like this is a go-to. If you guys do this look, tag me in photos. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get into this makeup look. Okay, so I always start my makeup routine with this. This is the Sunday Fridays. It's their lip butter balm. So if you guys have seen my other makeup tutorial videos in the past like 3 months, I have been loving the mixture of the IT Cosmetics CC cream, and this is their Skin But Better CC Plus foundation, and this is in the color medium tan. My skin is a little tan here. I don't do my neck or my face just because like it gets splotchy faster because I am always cleansing my neck and my face, as you should too. So I mix the IT Cosmetics CC Plus foundation medium tan with the MAC Studio Face and Body foundation, and this is in C3. I love this color. I love actually just to wear it on my own. I'm wearing sunscreen today, but some days when I forget sunscreen, I throw this in with it. And also this is way lighter than this coverage, so if you want like a medium to light coverage, mix them. If you want medium, this one's amazing. Light. I think I want a light coverage today, so. I also got this new brush from Sigma. It's the Domed Buffer. It's so good. So another favorite I've been using are these concealers. They are clean beauty concealers and I absolutely love them. I use the shade 3.5 and 1 and I just kind of mix them. So I just take the super light one and I go right underneath my eye where I want it to be super bright. And then I take the 3.5 and I just kind of put this around where I have like discoloration, like my mouth and my nose. Then I'm just gonna blend it out with the IT Cosmetics, the Heavenly Luxe brush. It's so good. Okay, so another trick I've been really liking is taking my lighter concealer and kind of drawing it upwards to give me more of like a snatched look. So I'm just going to like blend this up, kind of like that, because that's where we want it to like. I'm just going to blend it out. And what I'm gonna do is take my translucent powder and obviously packing it under the eye and then upwards. And I'm just gonna set in between my brows too, just because it gets really, really glowy there. I'm also just gonna do the remainder on my chin. Okay, bronzer. You guys have seen me talk about this a million times. This is the Fenty Cream Cheeks Out, and this is in the color Honey Glaze. I'm absolutely obsessed with this color. It replaced my Suede Fenty Beauty Match stick. I still love that stick so much and it's so easy to travel with, but this is just bomb. Now I'm just gonna blend out the nose contour. I'm going to set the bronzer with this KOSAS, again, the Clean Beauty bronzer. This is in the color medium. I think it's a little dark for me. It's pretty dark and it's pretty red. However, it's Clean Beauty, a clean product. So I want that on my skin as much as possible, and I'm gonna put it on my neck. And you guys, this bronzer is so pigmented. You have to be careful. I'm gonna get on my neck. Now I'm just going to do my brows. They need some major TLC, some major work, but I've been loving the more straight brow look, so that's the route I'm going to go. It's giving me mad scientist vibes, but I'm honestly so into it. I feel like the key to these straight brows is starting underneath and just drawing like a straight line and then making it kind of come outward and just doing like strokes outward. Now I just put a dab of concealer on the back of my hand and just going to clean up the brow. Now granted, these aren't super straight like Ariana Grande's, Doja Cat's, Nikita Dragun's, but I'm trying to eventually get there. I think they have like, they look so snatched there. I don't know if they've gotten like a Botox that does it, but their brows are so snatched and like pull, it's like literally like a pull like this, like that. See the difference? I don't know what that is, but I like it. I mean, I'm trying to be like them because they are all so hot. So that's as good as the brows are gonna get. I kind of just like them more, instead of just so curved how I used to have them, I kind of like them more like this. It just kind of makes me feel a little more snatched. Taking any leftover bronzer, I'm gonna run it on my nose like that. And I wanted more of a peachy blush for this look. I didn't want something super pink because we're gonna be more fierce. So this is the Laura Mercier. This is like a really beautiful peach. It's called Peach. Just gonna like this and take it right on the apples. And then I'll take some on my forehead too, just to blend it. I'll just take a powder brush and I'll just take the extra away. Since the eye is so simple, I really like to focus on the face being so snatched. So I take my Kat Von D palette, the Shade and Light one. I'm taking the color Lyric. It's like a yellow color, and then the Levitation. I'm just taking like a little dome brush. This is the Sigma Precision Round, the P82. And I'm gonna go along the side of my nose like this. So it's really gonna the nose and then brighten that inner corner of my eye. And I'll take it down the middle a little bit. I have like a wrinkle right here and I want to get rid of it. Dye wrinkle. And then lightly I like to take just a little over here, carve it up just slightly. With this bronzer, I'm taking a pretty decent sized fluffy brush. This is the E38 Sigma brush. I'm gonna just put it in there and I'm just gonna buff it on the lid. I just want like a nude color, but I don't want anything crazy. Like, it's just so easy, so cute. Love this color. Cool. Now for the more challenging part. So I left my Sigma pot gel liner at my friend's house. So I'm gonna try to do this with these liquid liners and a pencil. I think I can make it work, but I'm gonna link the pot that I did the actual look with the night I took the pictures down below because it is so good. It's so creamy and so easy to work with. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Bedroom Black by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's so creamy. This is kind of like the pot. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, and these dry fast if you're using a pencil. So I'm just going to make a wing, straight up wing. Let me zoom you guys in. Hi. So we made the wing. Now I'm just going to, where my eyes kind of go in, that's where I'm going to draw the line. Okay, so I finished the eyeliner. However, it doesn't look as good because I didn't have the pot liner, but I still think it looks cute. I'm also going to take it in the corner of my eye. What's this called? The tear duct. Just make it a little pointy, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so now before I set my face and do the mascara, I'm going to do my little freck. So I just highlight my freckles I have, and then I'm going to add one. Can the birds not fight right now? So now I'm going to set my face. This is with the Soft Focus Setting Spray by HOURGLASS. It's such a fine mist and I really love it. It sets my face all day. So I'm gonna squirt it outwards first because it always does like a... And let's do the highlighter. This is the LUXIE 522 Tapered Highlighting Brush. And this is the Revlon Twilight Gleam Highlighter. I love, look at this highlighter. Yep, to the nose, the lip. Now I'm just taking my eyelash curler and my Better Than Sex mascara. This, the Milk Makeup one and the Charlotte Tilbury one, everything. Looks so much better with mascara, this look. And 2 coats, just because. Now for a cute little lip combo, I'm taking, this is the BECCA Ultimate Lip Definer Vacation. Such a cute color. And for this look, since I'm doing more of a dramatic, different look, I love overlining my lips. It's just fun. And then I have my KOSAS Vegas lipstick. It's this color here, nice and creamy, so pretty. honestly, and you can be done there, especially since you have like a little glow to your lip. I'm gonna add a little bit of the BUXOM. This is the Samantha lip gloss. I've been loving BUXOM's lip glosses again. They're so not sticky. You kind of forget that they're there. I always remember my lip gloss is there because I feel like stuff is always getting stuck in it. Not the BUXOM ones. They're so good. So nice. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's so easy, so achievable. If you guys recreate it, tag me in your photos. Send me pics of you guys rocking it, looking so cute. I love seeing your gorgeous faces whenever you guys send me stuff. Whether you tried one of my outfits, tried one of my makeup looks, sang my song, whatever it is. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway in this video. I have more makeup stuff to give away to you guys. I have more makeup stuff I wanna give away to you guys. I'm cleaning up house and cleaning out the house. And as you guys have been seeing from my moving vlogs, I'm organizing a ton and just getting my shit together. So the giveaway is going to be easy, and I don't want you guys to feel intimidated by it. I made up a dance for my new single Easy. If you guys haven't heard it, go stream it, check it out. Make sure you like the song before you do the dance. But I made a dance for it. If you guys have a better dance or a different type of dance you guys want to make up to it, be my guest. All you have to do is just use the audio edit that is on TikTok to make the dance. You can do whatever dance. You can copy the dance that I do, me and Stephanie made up. You can make your own. So I'll be able to see all those entries of all of you guys dancing. And yeah, so the giveaway will be open for 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. So I will be announcing the giveaway winner July 15th. 2020. And yeah, I just want you guys to have fun with it. I just want people to hear the song. I work really, really hard, and I just want to like spread the word. It would mean so much to me if you guys participated. Obviously you guys will win prize, and yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like the makeup look. It helps me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.